Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to schedule a post on a Facebook page. So it actually goes live automatically later on. So first, simply open up Facebook and switch to the page that you manage. Then simply click create post just like you normally would and write your content, add images or videos. Now next, instead of clicking post, simply click the schedule option or the arrow next to the post. Then simply choose schedule and pick the date and time you want the post to go live. So after that, simply confirm by clicking schedule and Facebook will then queue the post for you. So you can also view or edit scheduled posts anytime by going to Meta Business Suite, then content, then scheduled. So from here, you'll then be able to reschedule or delete them if needed. And that's it. So that's how to schedule a post on a Facebook page. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.